Elizabeth! Elizabeth's ABC book by Allie Mae.
A is for alligator. B is for bees. C is for cat. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephants. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for horses. I is for inchworm. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for llama. M is for monkey. N is for numbat. O is for owl. P is for parrots. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for worms. X is for xeris. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.